fortunate now to be joined by David Dawson from Kharon-IT. I'm just going to ask him one question. Let's see what his answer is. David, over the next 12 to 18 months, what do you think is the biggest challenge that the sector faces?
The sector faces multiple challenges, but I think one of the biggest ones will be about the availability of experienced staff. There seems to be very much a way going forward that the older staff don't seem to get the appropriate jobs that are going, which is creating a plethora of younger people going in who might have degrees in engineering and capability, but they don't have the experience that sits behind it. Whilst our business is a very technology-based business, it is also an experience-based business. It is not literally about the infrastructure and the capability of a particular unit. It's about what best way you can get, or what best use you can get out of that particular unit and how it's been implemented previously. So I generally think that there is a resource problem. It's being identified, and slowly but surely it's actually coming to fruition that the barrier for people being taken on is getting higher and higher. I think one of the other challenges we have is the use of contractors and contract personnel. There seems to be, we only hire permanent people now. So if you're talking about an older person who's sort of 45, 50-ish, of which I am,
no.
Then it's, we don't particularly want to hire somebody who in 10 years' time is going to retire. We want somebody 15 years younger who's got a lifespan with the company. So I think that's one of the key challenges we're going to get with the innovations and the new regulations that are coming in. The data center industry needs to get its act together with regards to who's actually going to deliver it and come up with some pragmatic solutions as to how we're going to resource the exponential growth of what the data center industry is in this country. Does that answer the question?
I think that answers the question perfectly. You've come at it from a different angle, because a lot of people are talking about finding and acquiring young talent. You're looking at it from the more experienced talent, which again is refreshing, and I'm wishing all the best with that. It's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, I think you mentioned younger talent. It takes experienced talent to bring on younger talent. So I'm not saying these people aren't talented or anything like that. It's just that the number of people I've seen leaving the industry who are aged 45 and above is a very worrying trend.
Well, you're looking after us all us over 50s, aren't you? Look, David, thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
I will do.
Good luck, sir.
That's great. Thank you very much indeed.
You're welcome.